Hello everyone, in this video self-assessment term 1 essay 1 exam 2025-26 class 8th subject maths question paper with answer discussed. This question paper download to the telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to channel. Read the question paper carefully, answer all the questions. Section A contains multiple choice questions. Section D has internal choice. Section A multiple choice question. Each question has four options. One option is the correct answer. Each question carries 1 marks. 20 cross 1 equal to 20 marks. Question number 1. -1 multiply -2 by 5. Numerator multiply of numerator and denominator multiply of denominator. What is the negative and negative positive? 2 upon 5 is the correct answer of question number 1. Question number 2. The number of rational number between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5 is 0, 1, 3, infinite. Answer become infinite is the correct answer of question number 2. Question number 3. Square root of the decimal number 2.56, 0.016, 0.16, 1.616. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option C. 1.6 is the correct answer. Next question. A sum of 10,000 is borrowed at a rate of interest 15% per annum. Find the simple interest for 2 years. What is the value? What is the value of answer? 3,000. Option A is the correct answer. Identify the number whose square closer to 250. 16, 6, 25, 200. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer 25. Option C is the right answer of question number 5. Question number 6. The multiplicative inverse of -2, 3 by 2, -3 by 2, 1 by 2, -1 by 2. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Multiplicative inverse of -1 by 2. Question number 7. Which of the following rational number between 1 by 3 and 5 by 3? Option 7 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 3, 5 by 3. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer 4 by 3. Question number 8. For what value of x -12 by x equal to 3 is the correct answer? -4, 4, 3, -3. What is the value of x? This is equal to 3. Transpose the value. 3x equal to -12 and x equal to -12 divide by 3. That means -4. -4 is the correct answer of 8th question. Question number 9. Which among the following has the most number of diagonal, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon? Answer is hexagon. Hexagon. This is a hexagon. Is the number of diagonal is a more than of other quadrilaterals. Next question number 10. What is the measure of any exterior angle of regular nonagon? 40 degree, 100 degree, 140 degree, 140 degree, 90 degree. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is 40 degree. Question number 11. The solution of equation 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. This is a 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. How to calculate on the value? X equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Subtract on the numerator 14 by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. Answer is a 2 is a correct answer of 11th question. Question number 12. If two adjacent sides of a quadrilateral are equal, quadrilateral is known as rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, kite. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is rhombus. Option A is the correct answer. Next question number 13. If you draw a quadrilateral and draw all the diagonal, how many of triangle can you find? Option C is the right answer, 8. Question number 14. 42 bracket 4 plus 2 equal to 42 multiply 4 plus 42 multiply 2. Which one is the correct answer of 14th question? Associative property. This is called of associative property. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 15. In parallelogram ABCD, which two sides are equal? Which two sides of equal? Option C. Angle A and angle C are equal. Question number 16. A quadrilateral has two angle 30 degree and 40 degree. What type of quadrilateral it can be? Trapezium, square, parallelogram, rectangle. Correct answer, trapezium. This is a trapezium. Question number 17th. Which of the following equation is linear equation in one variable? Which is the correct answer? Correct answer of 17th question, option C, 2x equal to 3x plus 10. Question number 18. 20 year from Arjun will become 3 times as old as he now. Suitable equation for this is, this equation is a 3x equal to x plus 20 is a right answer. Question number 19. Which of the following definitely regular polygons? Triangle, square, rectangle, kite. Answer is a square. Question number 20. Two sides of a kite have length 7.8 and 11 centimeter. Then the perimeter of the kite 37.6 centimeter is the correct answer of the question number 20. This is a all section A question. Section B short answer question. Answer all the question. Each question carries 2 marks. If 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x, 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x, then the value of x. Question number 22. Find the value of variable in the equation 2x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 2. If a die is thrown, what is the probability of getting 3? Find the value of angle x in the following figure. This is a figure and the value of x is calculated. Section C, long answer question. Each question carries 4 marks. If x minus 5 by 3 equal to x minus 3 by 5, then the value of x. Question number 26. The present age of Vinay mother is 3 times the present age of Vinay. After 5 years, sum of their ages will be 70 years. Find their present age. Question number 27. ABCD is a rectangle. Which diagonal AC and BD intersecting at point O? If the length AO is 6 unit, find the length of BD. This is a figure of the question. Question number 28. The weekly wages of 30 workers in the factory are given below. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820, and the so on. Question number 29. Mention the property of a rhombus. Question number 29. Question number 30, section D is an internal choice question. Find the value of 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22 by writing their properties in each steps. Find the distributivity. 7 by 5 multiply minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 multiply 5 by 12, and arrange the following rational number in the ascending order: 4 by 3, 5 by 4, 2 by 3, 6 by 8, 8 by 5, 9 by 2 is the 31st question. Question number 32, adjoining pie chart gives in the expenditure in the percentage on various item and the saving of a family during a month, on which item the expenditure was maximum, and second one, expenditure on which item is equal to the total saving of the family. If the monthly saving of the family is 3000, what is the monthly expenditure of the clothes? Answer extract on the pie chart. And the question number 33, construct a quadrilateral ABCD given AB equal to 5.1 centimeter, AD equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 2.5 centimeter, angle A equal to 60 degree, angle B equal to 85 degree. And the internal construct a parallelogram ABCD, AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC equal to 4.5 centimeter, and diagonal BD equal to 5.5 centimeter. This is a paper of class 8th Essay 1 model paper. Thank you so much.